Welcome to part 1 of our brand new series, Small Backyard Landscaping Ideas. In this 7-part journey, we're breaking down the best ways to turn any small outdoor space into a personal retreat, no matter your style or budget. And we're kicking things off with one of the most powerful themes, Zen and minimalist design. Think calm, clean lines, peaceful textures, and outdoor layouts that help you breathe again. Ready to turn your backyard into your sanctuary? Let's get started. In this episode, we're exploring 7 Zen-inspired and minimalist landscaping ideas designed specifically for small backyards. First up, we'll define your space with gravel pathways and bamboo borders that feel both calming and private. Then we'll create a mini rock garden with raked sand and stones, perfect for meditation and mindfulness. A raised wooden deck with floor cushions brings warmth and simplicity to your hangout zone. Next, we'll add a compact water feature, because the sound of flowing water is the ultimate relaxer. To soften the look, we'll layer in lush greens like moss, ferns, and hostas. As evening falls, imagine sitting around a modern fire bowl lounge area, and finally, we'll top it off with a minimalist pergola strung with lanterns, creating a true Zen retreat right in your backyard. Imagine stepping outside to the soft crunch of gravel beneath your feet, bordered by tall, whispering bamboo that instantly calms your mind. This idea uses simple gravel paths lined with slender bamboo stalks to create structure and serenity. The gentle texture of gravel adds a sensory element, while bamboo introduces verticality without overwhelming a small space. It's low maintenance, clean, and blends beautifully with other Zen features like stone lanterns or minimalist seating. Gravel pathways help define movement and create flow in tight spaces, giving the illusion of a larger yard. Bamboo grows quickly and offers natural privacy while filtering sound, perfect for tuning out the busy world. Together, they make your backyard feel like a Japanese Zen sanctuary. Would you go with natural bamboo or a more modern fencing style for your Zen pathway? Let me know which vibe speaks to you in the comments. What if your backyard had a space where every rake stroke felt like meditation? A place that's quiet, mindful, and meaningful? miniature rock garden uses sand or fine gravel as a symbolic canvas. Stones are placed with intention, and patterns are raked into the sand to reflect water, waves, or wind. Even a small corner can host this mindful feature, especially when bordered by wood or stone. The act of raking is not just aesthetic, it's meditative. It promotes presence and focus. Plus, it's low maintenance and weather-friendly, making it ideal for small backyards that need beauty and simplicity. Have you ever tried raking a Zen sand garden? Drop an emoji if you'd love to try this in your yard. Tired of bulky patio furniture cluttering your small yard? What if relaxation meant sitting low, close to nature, with nothing but sky above you? A raised wooden deck with comfy floor cushions invites barefoot comfort and cozy gatherings. It fits seamlessly in narrow backyards or corner zones. Use natural wood tones to warm the space, and add a few outdoor lanterns or a low table for function. Sitting closer to the ground encourages mindfulness and rest. The low profile of floor seating makes the space feel more open and less crowded. It's also budget-friendly, flexible, and easy to refresh with textiles or seasonal decor. Would you try floor seating in your backyard, or do you prefer classic chairs? Share your favorite chill zone setup below. Close your eyes and hear it, the gentle trickle of water flowing over stones. It's not a spa. It's your own backyard. A small water feature like a bubbling basin or waterfall wall adds instant tranquility to any garden. Use natural stones, pebbles, and a recirculating pump to keep it compact and efficient. Surround it with moss, ferns, or shade plants for a soft touch. The sound of water masks city noise and lowers stress levels. Even a small fountain changes the energy of the space. It cools the area, attracts birds, and makes your backyard feel like a hidden sanctuary. Which sound relaxes you more, flowing water or birdsong? Tell me your favorite nature sound below. Not all gardens need flowers to feel alive. Sometimes the deep greens and layered leaves are all you need for a calm, grounded space. Group plants like moss, ferns, and hostas together in shaded corners for a lush, cohesive look. These plants thrive in low light and don't need bright blooms to shine. Use large stones or driftwood as focal points for added texture. This grouping is low maintenance and drought tolerant, making it perfect for busy homeowners. The rich greenery promotes a peaceful, forest-like atmosphere while staying compact and easy to care for. Which would you choose for your Zen corner, mossy ground or fern-filled beds? Let's talk shade garden favorites. Imagine ending your day by firelight, surrounded by stillness and stars. No big patio required. A compact fire bowl on gravel or stone adds warmth and a focal point to your backyard. Place a few minimalist chairs or benches around it, and keep the surrounding design clean and neutral for a calming effect. Firelight naturally draws people together and extends your outdoor time into cool evenings. It's a simple upgrade that adds value, ambience, and relaxation all at once. Perfect for gathering or solo meditation. Would you use a fire bowl more for quiet nights or cozy hangouts? Drop a fire if this is your dream setup. What if you could define your space with just a frame and fill it with peace, light, and intention? A minimalist pergola gives your small backyard vertical interest without taking up much ground space. Hang paper lanterns, wind chimes, or trailing plants from it to create a relaxing retreat with ambient light and movement. It provides shade during the day and a magical atmosphere at night. The clean structure also sets a visual boundary, making your backyard feel organized and purposefully designed, even if it's compact. Would you hang lights, chimes, or plants from your pergola? Let me know how you'd customize this Zen structure. Which of these Zen ideas speaks to you the most? The calming water feature or that cozy fire bowl setup? Let me know in the comments. If you found some inspiration today, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because this is only the beginning. Part 2 drops tomorrow, where we'll explore hammocks, lounges, and chill zones for laid-back backyard vibes. You won't want to miss it. Until then, take a deep breath, step outside, and start designing your peaceful escape.